Mistake number 4 is understating the exit EBITDA. Now, just like with the entry EBITDA, GPs should always strive to provide a performance metric with a TTM date that is as close as possible to the transaction date and one that is unadjusted as feasible. We really don't have an issue with deal professional bias here. What happens is that when the LP asks for a number, the analyst might send out the last set of audited or approved financials for a company, but those are often stale by 3 or 4 months. Lagging financials typically understate exit EBITDA because 9 out of 10 times companies that successfully trade are growing at exit. This again will bias our value bridge. What the GP may need to do here, given imperfect information caused by the fact they no longer own the company, is estimate the TTM exit EBITDA. It can be based on a combination of actual and budget performance. Perhaps that's 9-month actuals and 3 months of budget, or 10 and 2, or 8 and 4. The GP should have sufficient documentation to support that number, and it will give the LP a much more meaningful explanation of equity value creation. For example, let's say that the actual exit EBITDA here is closer to $33 million. That moves the exit multiple down to 6.2. When we run the numbers and calculate our value drivers, we increase EBITDA growth to 89% of value creation and decrease multiple expansion to 11% of value creation. That is another very significant move.